small town southern wife. Today I'm going to use all these tomatoes that I've got out of the garden, and we're going to make a tomato pie. So get you a cutting board and a knife and start cutting your tomatoes up. Right here we have one white onion. I may not use it all, but I went ahead and cut it up. And I'm going to cut up all 5 of those tomatoes, and I may even use a few of my cherry tomatoes. Once you get them peeled, just slice them up, not super thin, but not too thick. We watch a channel on YouTube called the Hollar Homestead, and she made this the other night. Oh, and it looked delicious. So I decided I was going to give it a try. A tomato pie. I've never made one before. But seeing her make it made me think, whoa, that looks good. But everything she cooks looks good. Let's clean this up now. We're using cilantro because that's what I've got. And I'm going to also use a white onion and some of my green onions. In hers, she used basil. And I'm actually going to use dried basil because I've got that in my cilantro. Try to get most of the juice out of them so your pie don't get all juicy and too much water liquid in your pie. So just dab them with a paper towel and get most of the juice off. Okay, now we've got our little cast iron skillet oiled, and I'm going to start layering the tomatoes in the bottom of that. A lot of times you would use a crust, but this one I'm going to make it like a low-carb tomato pie. I'm not using a crust. And then we're going to put a layer of the onions. Add as many as, really no recipe. You just do it the way you like it. Ever how many you like. Make it look pretty. And then I'm going to put dry basil. And then we're going to put another layer of tomatoes. And then another layer of the white onion. A little bit more of the cilantro. And a little bit more of the basil. Okay, now we got to make the topping. Okay, now what we're going to use for the top is we're going to use about probably a cup of mozzarella cheese. And you could use any kind of cheese, if whatever you have, but I'm going to go ahead and use the mozzarella. And then I'm going to use about a cup of mayonnaise. And then to that, we're going to add us some black pepper. About a half of a teaspoon. And about a half a teaspoon of salt. Maybe not even that much. And to ours, because Travis likes garlic, I'm going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon of minced garlic. And I like garlic. And then we're going to give that a mix. And just get that mayonnaise and that cheese all blended together. And then we're going to get our pie back. And we're going to just take this mixture right here and put it on our pie. And just give it a, just even it out all over the pie. Get back down in there, onion. Okay, and now we're going to bake it on 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes. And then we're going to preheat the oven to 350 and cook it for the 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, I just got my tomato pie out of the oven, and that's what it looks like. And on top of mine, I'm going to add some bacon bits. We have these bacon bits that Travis got that we took camping with us. So I'm going to take and add a little of these to our tomato pie. Okay, and that's what it's looking like. When I serve it up, I'll show y'all what it looks like on the plate. We're going to have to let it sit and cool for a little bit because it's very hot, and then I'll serve me up some.